So hey guys, welcome back to my another video of computer tips and tricks. In this video I will show you how to set date and time with CMD. Yes, you can set date and time with CMD commands also. Normally we set date and time in settings. Here you have to see we normally we set date and time here, but today in this video I will show you how to set date and time with CMD. So without any further delay, let's start the video. For this trick we have to open command prompt as admin. For that, open Windows plus X. Here I am opening command prompt as admin. Yes, you will see command prompt as pop up. Here we have to give time command. If we write here type time and hit enter, you will see now my system time is 12 24 10 and it is 40. So and you can see here also my system time is 12:24 p.m. Here it is showing in here the time will come in 24 hours format, and if we want to change the time we have to give in 12 hours time format. So now my system time is correct, and just for demonstration purpose I am changing this time. So it is now 12:24. So for changing it, suppose I am changing it to 1 colon, suppose I am taking 21 and suppose 21 seconds, and you have to give dot and you have to put PM. If you put here AM, then it will go to in morning time, means midnight time, and hit enter. You will see nothing message came here, but you will see here 12:21 is been saved here. Make sure you give this time in 12 hours format, not in 24 hours format, because system won't accept that. Now we have changed our time here. So next if we want to change our date, we can do that also. For that, just type DATE date and hit enter. You will see now my current date is 30/4/2000, which is correct. Now if your system date is incorrect, then you can change it by this command. Suppose I am changing my date to 12 and 5, means May, 12 May and 2020, because you have to write only year name, not fully year name we don't have to write, and hit enter. You will see now my date is also changed 12/5, which is exactly similar to this. Now we don't have any work in the command prompt. We have successfully changed our date and time. So let us close it, our command prompt. For that we have to type the command exit and hit enter. That's all for this video. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your friends. If you find my content interesting, then subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you for watching, guys.